Okay, it's -4 degrees, and we're gonna do an experiment to see if the boiling water will freeze in midair. My dad told me that, but I have no idea if I can believe him or not. Go get ready.
Yep.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Did that work?
Yep.
Really?
Here, let me get a glass here.
He's getting a glass.
Here we go.
Okay, we got it. Glass?
Ready?
Yeah. I did see some of it, it's like a fire.
Yep.
We might try it again tomorrow. We'll see. Tomorrow if it's colder than it is now. So, thank you guys for watching, if you are even watching, and goodbye!